prices of our goods and services are rising, the prices of inputs are rising, economic uncertainty is rising. That's causing investment to shrink. When investment shrinks, that reduces the growth in productivity, which ultimately reduces the rate of economic growth, which ultimately causes wages to be lower than they would otherwise be, which ultimately causes our standard of living to be lower. These are all the inevitable consequences of these tariffs and the trade war that they unleash.
I think they're very scared, because if that relationship with China and others disappears from the agricultural community, then you've really lost the foundation of this heartland region, all the way from the Great Lakes down to the Gulf, because it is in soybeans, it is in rice, it is in cotton, it is in corn.
The China market is just so big for us that it would be very difficult to replace that. And I think for most of us farmers, we just want to grow a good crop and have a satisfied customer. And so that happened to be China for many years.
And I think the other important thing is that, if China goes to other customers to find pork, well, they may just stay with those customers even after a dispute is settled. And so that's a concern from our standpoint.
I would say what is happening nationally has had a chilling effect on commodity prices and our ability to sell goods to China. It's been extremely detrimental, particularly in the agricultural sector, which is a huge driver of the Oregon economy.
Trade with China accounts for 60% of trade volumes at the port, so the U.S.-China trade relationship matters a great deal to the Los Angeles economy. And so exports to China from LA ports are down 25%. Fruit, nuts, and wine from California have been hit hard.